Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de la famille. Les membres de la famille.
Family members.
La mère.
The mother, the mother.
Le père.
The father, the father.
Les parents.
The parents, the parents.
Le frère.
The brother, the brother.
La sœur.
The sister, the sister.
Les enfants.
The children, the children.
Le fils.
The son, the son.
La fille.
The daughter, the daughter.
Les grands-parents.
The grandparents, the grandparents.
Le grand-père.
The grandfather, the grandfather.
La grand-mère.
The grandmother, the grandmother.
L'oncle.
The uncle, the uncle.
La tante.
The aunt, the aunt.
Le cousin.
The cousin, male, the cousin, male.
La cousine.
The cousin, female, the cousin, female.
Le mari.
The husband, the husband.
La femme.
The wife, the wife.
Parler de sa famille.
Talking about your family.
J'ai 2 frères et une sœur.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Mes parents habitent à Paris.
My parents live in Paris. My parents live in Paris.
Mon père est ingénieur.
My father is an engineer. My father is an engineer.
Ma mère est enseignante.
My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher.
Je vis avec ma famille.
I live with my family. I live with my family.
J'aime passer du temps avec ma famille.
I like to spend time with my family. I like to spend time with my family.
Questions fréquentes.
Common questions.
As-tu des frères ou des sœurs?
Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Combien de personnes y a-t-il dans ta famille?
How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family?
Quel âge a ton frère?
How old is your brother? How old is your brother?
Ta famille est-elle nombreuse?
Is your family big? Is your family big?
Ma famille, c'est tout pour moi.
My family means everything to me. My family means everything to me.
Merci d'avoir appris avec nous.
Thank you for learning with us. Thank you for learning with us.
Abonne-toi pour plus de vidéos bilingues.
Subscribe for more bilingual videos. Subscribe for more bilingual videos.